Welcome. So here we're going to talk about another application problem for circumference and really just perimeter in general, because here's the problem statement. We have the window that I've drawn here. So the dark blue is the exterior of the window, and then I've drawn in the window panes in a light blue color. And the question is, how much will it cost to put molding around the window if the straight portions of molding cost $1.57 per foot and the curved portions cost $11.19 per foot? So we need to consider the perimeter of this, and then we need to multiply that by the cost per foot to get a final cost in dollars. Since the cost is given in dollars per foot, we should convert our units to feet in order to solve the problem. So we are given mixed units here. I have 2 feet and 9 inches for this smaller length up here, the radius of the upper portion. And that will be 2.75 feet. And then here, the 5 foot 9 inches, that will be 5.75 feet. So once it's into feet, then we can proceed to find the perimeter. So the perimeter for the lower portion here, for the straight components, I'll do them separately because the costs are different. So for the straight components, I'll have 5.75 plus 5.75. That will account for my 2 vertical components. I still need to account for this bottom, and it's not explicitly given to you, the length there, but I know that the radius of this upper circle is 2.75 feet, and that radius is true all around. So it means that this distance here from the center to the edge is also 2.75. So I will add 2.75 times 2 in order to get these 3 straight sides. So when I add those all up together, I get 17 feet. And then when I multiply to get the cost, so this is the perimeter, the cost is going to be 17 feet times $1.57 per foot. And this will give me $26.69. So that's the amount that it costs to do the molding for that straight component. And then I need to consider this curved portion at the top. I'm looking at a circle, and I'm looking at its circumference. So the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, but I'm not looking at the whole circle. I'm looking at only half of it. So I will multiply this by 1/2 in order to get just the circumference of half a circle. Then I need to plug in my values. I know what the radius is. It's 2.75. I was given that in the problem statement. So 2 pi times 2.75 times 1/2 will be I'll call it 8.64 feet. And then again, I need to find the cost. So I'm going to take the length, 8.64 feet. I will multiply it by the cost, which is $11.19 per foot. And I will get $96.67. Then I will add these two together. In order to get the total cost for the molding around the window. And that should be about $123.36. Thank you so much for watching.